A new video from Technic Power. Today we will show you how you can activate the hotel mode on your new Hisense Coolhead TV. Almost every TV has a hotel mode, including the new Hisense Coolhead, which we got here, model 2023. So brand new. And with this we want to activate this hotel mode. The hotel mode is, as the name suggests, for hotels so that the guest can't change anything. At the same time, however, you can also use it for people in need, i.e. so that they don't change anything on the TV. Otherwise, the technician would have to go there every time and then have to reinstall the whole thing here again. And how do you get to this hotel menu? Just go to the menu, to this gear wheel. And here it is important that the Dolby Atmos sound is deactivated. So that must not be activated, but deactivated. Then you switch to the speakers here. And next to balance. And here, too, you make sure that it is not at -1, that it is not at 1, but really at 0. Then back to balance again and 0, 5, 4, 8. And as soon as you press this on the remote control, this menu appears, Hotel Mode. Let's activate that and now see different menu items. The first thing we see is key lock. This means that the keys on the device are locked. You can't adjust anything here, change anything. Then the transmitter search is locked, the submenu is locked, and even the current settings are locked. You also have the option of locking apps here, i.e. that you can lock everything here, that you can turn on everything or lock certain apps. The maximum volume, how loud you can turn it up here, and the minimum. And which volume to switch on, which source to switch on. TV, AV, HDMI or HDMI 2. This is also possible. Switching on the transmitter. Here, too, you can determine which transmitter should be started here. Remember operating mode, i.e. here you can set the switch on mode when it gets power. Should we switch on the standby or remember? Automatic mode of rest. You can also activate that here, i.e. after 15 minutes the TV goes into standby mode if you don't do anything. Lock entrances, i.e. choose HDMI. You can also lock them or USB. Then you have the option of setting a logo here. Your hotel logo or whatever, or a picture. You can also display the language here or not. Then you have the option of displaying hotel info here, i.e. pictures can be displayed here. Then there is the option of setting up graphics, interval and much more. And finally we have cloning. Clone, as the name suggests, I make a master device, set everything up and save the whole thing on USB stick and clone the whole TV to another. I go to the next TV and take over the settings. Otherwise I would have to set the whole thing on every TV. I don't have to do that with the USB stick. It takes a lot faster. And here is also a hotel info website, i.e. you can even have the website of the hotel or a specific website set up here. This is the hotel mode. As I said, a great submenu or a hidden menu. With this you can make many settings that are not available in the menu. Do you have questions about this tutorial? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you will be up to date. Technic Bao says thank you for watching and goodbye.